This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Verifying your board design. The PCB editor is a rules-driven design environment in which you can define many types of design rules that can be checked to ensure the integrity of your board. Typically, you set up the design rules at the start of the design process. The online DRC feature monitors the enable rules as you work and immediately highlights any detected design violations. Alternatively, you can also run a batch DRC to test that the design complies with the rules and generate a report that details the enable rules and any detected violations. Earlier in the tutorial, you examined the routing design rules, adding a new width constraint, rule targeting, the power nets, as well as an electrical clearance constraint and routing via style rule. As well as these are the numbers of other design rules that are automatically defined when a new board is created.